Grab your pencils, kiddos. Let's create a super cute doll together. First, let's draw a big circle for the head. Great job. Now, add two smaller circles inside for the eyes. Don't forget to draw a tiny circle in each eye for that adorable sparkle. Next, draw a small curved line for the nose and a big smile right below. Perfect. Now for the body, draw a rectangle right under the head. Excellent. Let's add some arms and legs. Draw two lines on each side of the rectangle for the arms and two lines at the bottom for the legs. You're doing amazing. Time to dress up our doll. Add a cute dress or any outfit you like. Don't forget the shoe. Finally, give your doll some hair. Long, short, curly, or straight, it's up to you. And there you have it, your very own doll drawing. Fantastic work, everyone. Keep practicing and have fun.